What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Los Santos. Another beautiful day here on the server. And just want to start it off with a big thanks to pretty much everyone that's been pulling up to the server. It's been fun. Like, everyone's just been chill, cutting it up through traffic and stuff. It's been really quite a cool experience. I sit here and develop the server for everybody and stuff. But if you still haven't had a chance to go on the server, links in the description. Once you do get on the Discord, give a shout out to me or one of the admins with your identification key when you click on the server IP link, so we can whitelist you and get you in there. But with that said, let's get back to talking about this vehicle here. Today we got the amazing Bravado Gauntlet Hellfire. Dropped back in 2019 with the casino and resort update, but it's mostly based on the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Yes sir, got the Demon out here with the glorious camo paint job, all redded up. Got it with the the Scat Pack wheels with the Chapale decals going on there. Beautiful wide body kit. It's just an amazing vehicle. Hella fast. Got it here with as you can buy it from the factory, the full 808 horsepower. It's just a crazy vehicle to cut up with traffic with. It's just one of those cars you hit the gas and it just goes. Got a little bonus on it too with the Renzu turbo package, little 200 horsepower edition. So I'm running out here in 1,000 horsepower, Demon, all redded. You know how it is. But you know how we usually do on the channel. Just cut it up through traffic and just have fun. Something a little different than usual. We had a couple people on, so with that said, I'll see you in traffic. I also cheated a little bit with the sound pack with the Ford, but they know good Dodge sounds. Quench your thirst, right?
Yeah. Got me over here like.
Yeah, Beaker's run.
Are we taking the same? Are we?
Look at you now.
No, I didn't match. I went the wrong way.
Yeah, I did the ill dip.
We go the same route.
We're gonna go.
Floating through it. Come on.
Gonna roll off right. So we're gonna hit the right and then go straight up.
Oh. That nigga just flipped this shit.
So would you just stop in the middle of the highway?
Wait.
Bro, I was right back up, bro. Alright, where the hell I go now? Oh, we going up here. So we going all the way around the map?
Not all the way around, because we don't go to the other side. One side,
Yeah.
but this side is 2 lanes. My bad.
I'm through that. Come on now.
We out. Oh shit! I looked at the map for a quick hot second.
I'm waiting on you. I'm out of there. Come on. I'm swerving at like 250 miles per hour right now.
I'm at
Jesus. Alright, I'm waiting up here for the stops. I'm by the sign. Damn, look at that nigga car.
Yeah, that's the one I hit you that first time. I'm fucking good answer. I hear what everything.
Damn, we left him behind. We was waiting on him.
Clap.
No, I hit the motorcycle.
It's on somebody laying on the ground.
You want to stop at the Polito gas station?
Yeah.
Once y'all niggas catch up.
Oh!
Oh my god, I'm back.
I saw a serious accident happen. I thought that was the AI. I said, I'm living on shore.
Bro, oh my god, again?
What? Big Mac,
Yeah, okay. I gotta overtake Matt. Hurry up. I'm coming for you.
I think there's a vehicle here that I was driving. I can't remember.
And I'll swing the car while it's going.
SRT.
What the hell was that?
What?
That nigga pulled out the mini.
Yeah, he was. You gonna cut him for that, bro? Oh my god.
Oh, my car's shaking from this Cambridge.
Yeah, too much cameras back.
You said what?
Too much cameras back.
I'm gonna have to pull over real quick.
Holy shit,
Yo.
bro.
Almost smacked the fuck out of you.
Out of everybody.
What happened?
That truck you cut right through.
Oh my god, look at this.
Yo! That truck is at a risk to your health, bro.
Yeah.
Max out here living life.
Them niggas said I'm out there. Oh my god, he's behind me. Oh hell no. Hell no. Nigga, oh hell no.
Yeah, you should be scared.
Nigga, look what you're doing to the cars.
I what are you talking about, man? Everything is smooth on my screen.
What are you talking about? You fell out their car.
Oh my god, no! No!
You fell out their car.
No!
God damn! Oh!
Yo, what happened? I ain't got no defibrillator.
Shit! Yo, this man. This is what happens when you do 180 down the highway, bro.
Oh, shit.
You do 1,000 flips, like 30 feet in the air, land on a rock and explode. The game said, nah, you can explode. I can't bring you back from this.
I don't got no defibrillator either.
That car was stolen. We don't need to worry about it.
I didn't expect the game to just blow his car like that. That's hilarious.
Yeah, that happens. That happens like 5% of the time on really bad accidents. You hit the engine just right.
It's all against it. I'm coming back to the gas station.
You're off-roading on top of the traffic.
That man said no opportunity for me anyway. I'm disappointed.
Can't even get your car back because it was stolen.
I still remember it. It's alright. Fucking ass Kia boy around
Oh man, that was a lot of fun. If you like what you see, links for all the mods we use are in the description. If you want to join us on the server, link for that is in the description. Just gonna join us on Discord and get for that whitelist. And yeah, I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.